Namaste. I'm Professor Kshitij Patukle from Bhishma Sanatan Vedic Hindu University, America. Today we'll be talking about our master's program in Hindu Dharma Gyan. That is the knowledge about Hindu Dharma. Now, Hindu Dharma is known by various names. You call it Sanatan Dharma, you may call it Vedic Dharma, you may call it Arya Dharma, you may call it Oriental Dharma. In ancient Cambodia, Hindu Dharma was known as Brahmanical religion. So, there are lot many names, and we believe that all belong to Hindu Dharma. It is having the basis of understanding with the nature of the universe. Idea of Hindu Dharma is in tune with the idea of Rutam. Rutam and Satyam are the basis of the whole working of the universe. We call it as a Brahmanda. In that scenario, Hindu Dharma is not limited to the idea of religion. Especially, it is not related to the Abrahamic religions or Semitic religions. Hindu Dharma accepts pluralism and polytheism. So it is a combination of multiple faiths, multiple beliefs, multiple styles of worshipping. We believe that whatever way you want to grow and you want to attain the divine moksha, the concept of mukti, that is the beauty of Hindu Dharma. So there is no differences about the ways of practice. So that is the fundamental idea of Hindu Dharma. So we must understand that Hindu Dharma is not limited to the idea of religion or sect. In this master program, we are going to study the Vedic foundations of the Hindu Dharma, as well as we will be talking and discussing about the various foundations and tenets of Hindu Dharma. कृण्वन्तु विश्वम आर्यम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः वसुधैव कुटुंबकम शिवभावे जीवसेवा नहि ज्ञानेन सदृश्यम पवित्रमिह विद्यते. So these types or thoughts, those are the foundations we are going to study. We'll be studying about the Vedic literature, Vedas, Upavedas. We'll be also studying about the real history of Hindu Dharma, which has been described in Puranas and Upapuranas. Hindu Dharma is having a different style of writing history. So it has been narrated since the inception of this earth. We'll be also studying the Mahakavyas epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. There is a special course on Adi Shankaracharya. Adi Shankaracharya is a great saint who has contributed his whole life for revitalization of Hindu Dharma. We will be also studying about various temples, various arts like music, dance, paintings, carvings, etc., etc., etc. We will be studying about Shodas Sanskar and other aspects of Sanskar and Sanskriti. There are 110 crore Hindus in India, and out of India there are 10 crore Hindus. But this huge Hindu population does not having the basic Hindu Dharma Gyan. That is a real challenge. In this program we will be studying 4 Vedas and 4 Upavedas, as well as there is a great philosophical knowledge in Upanishad Grantha, Aranyak Grantha, Brahman Grantha. Our study will encompass about various philosophies that is called as a darshana. Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Vaisheshik, Purva Mimamsa and Uttar Mimamsa, that is Vedanta. As well as we will be studying Jain, Buddha and Charvak darshanas also. In this program, we will have courses on various traditions various ways of worshipping, as well as various sects that are in practice in Hindu Dharma, that is Shaiva, Vaishnava, Ganapatya, Shakta, etc. etc. In Hindu Dharma, there is an idea of four Purushartha: Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, as well as the idea of four ashram: Brahmacharyashram, Grihasthashram, Vanaprasthashram, and Sannyasashram. This program will enlighten you about these basic foundations and knowledge systems of Hindu Dharma. It will help you to develop your own life as well as to excel your career. Namaste.